Hey guys, I've been wanting to pick up one of these ozone generators for a while, so I grabbed this guy off of Amazon. These are supposed to be good for neutralizing odors, and they're only like 50 bucks now. We'll test them out and then take it apart to see what's inside. This is supposed to be a 30,000 milligram unit, but it looks too small for that, so I'm gonna press doubt. It's probably more like 3,000 or 1,000. Here it is out of the box. It's got a nice swivel handle on it, an all-metal case. Here's the timer. It goes from 10 minutes up to 2 hours. On the back, we got a fan and a IEC-style computer power connector. Yeah, I remember back in the 90s they were all talking about holes in the ozone layer and stuff. It turns out we could have just made our own ozone this whole time. Let's see how this does removing odors. This is that abandoned shack where that hobo hid the hooker's body a while back. It still smells nasty in here. So we'll run in an extension cord, and then we'll just set this guy to 15 minutes. We can always do a second treatment later on if needed. Alright, let's close her up and come back in 15 minutes. So the timer ran out and I left the door open for a few minutes to air out the room. I'm going to go ahead and enter the premises. Wafting, wafting. Yeah, I can smell a lot of residual ozone in the room. There is still a lingering dead prostitute odor remaining. The room probably needs a second treatment, but it is improved. Hey, is that a bottle of Yago? I'm taking that with. So yeah, I did end up having to give the room a second treatment. This time I let the timer run for 30 minutes. That knocked the odor down some more. So there's going to be some trial and error figuring out the timing based on the room size and the strength of the odor. Let's take a peek inside this thing and see what's inside. Not much. That white thing on the bottom is a high voltage transformer, and then there's 3 metal plates sitting on top of it. The blue thing with a grid pattern is a dielectric plate. High voltage comes out of the transformer and into those metal plates. The dielectric plates keep the voltage from directly sparking across the plates, instead producing a corona discharge in between the plates. The high-voltage corona discharge converts the oxygen into ozone as the air flows through it. I was pleasantly surprised with the build quality on this. All the solder connections have that white glue on them. All the crimp connections have heat shrink over them. If they didn't lie about the output capacity, but it seems like all the manufacturers do that. A unit this size would be great for getting cigarette odors out of cars, which is what I bought it for. For smaller sized rooms like a hobo shack, it'll work if you do multiple longer treatments. You just have to remember it's not a miracle device. If you don't remove the source of the odor is going to come back again. And I'd be leery about any of the supposed health benefit claims people make about these. Most of that's cap. These serve a very specific purpose, and if you have a need for one, go ahead and pick one up. Be sure you're subscribed to my channel if you like these types of reviews. If you don't, thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.